Good morning, dear students. Today we will learn conversion of percents into decimals. Students, in previous video we have already learned conversion of percentage into fractions. So let us start. Question 1. Convert 2.7% into decimal. Students, to convert a given percentage into a decimal, firstly we convert the given percentage into a fraction and then convert this fraction into decimal form. So let's start solving. So here we have 2.7%. Students, as we know, percent means 1 upon 100. So we divide 2.7 by 100 and we remove the percent symbol. Students, as in decimal chapter we have already learned to divide a given decimal number by 10, 100 and so on. So according to rule, if we divide any decimal number by 100, we shift the decimal point 2 digit from right towards left. तो यहाँ पे decimal point 7 के आगे है तो 2 digit shift होगा तो ये कहाँ आ जाएगा 1, 2 यानी कि यहाँ पे हमें एक 0 लगाना पड़ेगा. So the answer is 0.027. Now let's see the second example. Question 2. Convert 29% into decimal. So student, as I told you, we write 29 divided by 100 because percent means 1 upon 100. Students, here we have to divide 29 by 100. So 100 में 2 zeros है. So it means we have to put decimal point after 2 digit from right towards left. So 1, 2 यानी decimal point 2 के आगे आ जाएगा. And here in whole number we write 0. Let us take one more example. Convert 12 2/5% into decimal. So student, here we have to convert 12 2/5% into a decimal. So firstly we will convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So 12 5s are 60. 60 plus 2 we get 62/5. Students, now we multiply the given fraction by 100 because percent means 1 upon 100. So 62/5 multiplied by 100. So if we divide 62 by 100, so decimal point will go from right towards left. तो decimal point कहाँ आ जाएगा 0.62. तो decimal point 6 के आगे आ जाएगा. And then we have 5. Now we have to divide 0.62 by 5. So 5 zeros are 0. Now after that we have decimal point. So we put decimal point and then we bring down the next digit which is 6. So 5 ones are 5. We subtract 5 from 6 and we get 1. Now 1 is less than 5. So we bring down next digit which is 2. Now 5 goes into 12. How many times? It's 2 times. 5 2s are 10. And after subtraction we get 2. Now here 2 is less than 5 and we don't have any digit to bring down. और यहाँ पर हमारे पास ब्रिंग डाउन करने के लिए भी कोई डिजिट नहीं है तो हम क्या करेंगे हम एक 0 बढ़ा देंगे क्योंकि डेसिमल पॉइंट लगाने के बाद हम एक बार में 1 0 बढ़ा सकते हैं. सो 5 4s are 20. सो द डेसिमल नंबर इज 0.124. सो स्टूडेंट्स, है ना आसान? So solve some given examples by your own in order to understand this chapter thoroughly. And we'll meet in next video. Till then, thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.